Chameleon selenicus is a species of chameleon family found in Sri Lanka, India and other parts of South Asia. Scientist Laurenti named this species Sri Lankan chameleon in 1768. The ability of the eye to move independently and their position at the end of cones permit binocular vision. Tails is prehensile. Sri Lankan chameleon grow up to 40 centimeters in length. There are 55 of chameleon belongs to Chameleonidae family around the world. The feeding is unique in that tongue it is short out and retracted with the pre-streaking to the knob-like tip. Sri Lankan chameleon is recorded from northwest and northern part of Sri Lanka, including Puttalam, Anuradhapura, Mankulam and Vilpattu. Chameleon lizard species are able to change their skin coloration. This lizard is oviparous, breed from May to August and lay 6 to 12 eggs. During the dusk time, it sleeps at the base of a bush, often found in pairs. Knuckles mountain range, also called Dumbar mountain range, is located in the northern end of central highlands of Sri Lanka. It is about 21,000 hectares in extent. They are endemic lizard species and plants found at the Knuckles mountain range. Knuckle mountain range lower part is belonging to the wet zone and the dry zone. In this lower part of the mountain range, you find an array of lizards. Calatus calatus is found in Sri Lanka, most of South India as well. Widely distributed through the wet zone in Sri Lanka from the sea level up to a range of 1,500 meters. It feeds mainly insects but may also take plants materials such as tender buds and flowers. 40 centimeters in length, it has a very charismatic, long tail and it can be considered as the largest calatus species in this country. This lizard has bright green dorsal coloration, usually white cream or dark green transverse stripes. However, these are changeable. Calatus is the largest agavid lizard found in the genus in the country and represented by 7 species. The most of are the common garden lizard and the green garden lizard. Scientifically known as Calatus versicolor, recorded in 1802, scientist Dodin named this lizard the common garden lizard. This lizard grows up to 39 centimeters in length. It feeds mainly insects and small birds. We can find them widely distributed in Asia, Florida and Kenya. Lizards face the greatest risk when crossing the roads. Endemic lizard species are found at Knuckle sub-mountain range. scientifically known as Octocryptis negrissima, recorded in 2005. Scientists Bahir and Silva named this lizard as lowland kangaroo lizard, which endemic to Sri Lanka. Lowland kangaroo lizards grow up to 25 centimeters in length. Octocryptis negrissima is different from Octocryptis weidmanni as follows: a distinctly black patch present laterally on deep lap of males. Scientifically known as Calatus leolepis lizard, reported in 1885, scientist Bollinger named this lizard as whistling lizard, which is endemic to Sri Lanka. Widespread in the wet and intermediate zone, except the highest altitudes in the moist forest islands in the dry zone. This lizard species were facing a severe threat of extinction, sometimes produces a high-pitched whistle when alarmed. This lizard also periodically shed the outer layer of their skin following the production of an on beneath. A diurnal arboreal species normally found on the trunks of large tree understory.